This is Ranger Kidwell Ross, editor of World Sweeper. We're at the National Pavement Expo 2019 in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm in the booth for Proview Systems, and they have the easy fleet tracking system, and we're going to talk to Nick Natale, and he is a managing partner with the company.
Yes.
And Nick, if you would, you've got a screen here. Show me a brief idea of what we should know about it.
Yeah,
what are we looking at?
We have different hardware configurations.
All right.
This is a standard vehicle tracking device. It's installed with 3 wires, hot, cold, and ignition. It would go up under the dash of the vehicle.
Sure.
So it's going to measure and update every 60 seconds. So if it's going down the road, it's going to measure every 60 seconds.
All right.
And then also every time the vehicle makes a turn. So once this is installed, and it can be professionally installed, you're given a website login, and you'll see where all your vehicles are in real time.
All right.
On the left side is the status of those vehicles. This green one is moving right now. It shows you the address, and it will show you over here where that vehicle is. We can zoom to that vehicle if we like, but these other vehicles are stopped currently. If they were idling, it'd be yellow. So for street sweeping, a lot of times they're probably sitting, idling, but also could be moving, of course, most of the time. But if we want to quickly see where some vehicle is, we left click, and we can then go to zoom the vehicle, and then we're able to see where that vehicle is, and we can get all the data we want, how long they've been sitting or how long they've been moving. It's all based on Google Street Maps. The street.
It's a new world, isn't it?
Yep. And so I can actually drag this little guy over here and see where this person is, what street is, in case I don't recognize that address location.
My goodness.
So it's a little bit slow internet, so that's why it's not updating that quickly, but that's just the...
Yeah, we got a lot of people using this music center internet.
So we can see all the trips somebody has made today as well. So if you would like to see, hey, where have they been today? This just shows you the first trip is at the bottom, the most recent trip's at the top, and you can get the time and date stamp, how long they were stopped, 57 minutes, where they are at now. On the right shows you a map of that. So we could see this trip here, they started 11:14 a.m. and then it just goes through. We can isolate one of these trips as well. Trip number 4, when we want to update that, we'll just see only trip number 4. And again, we can see when they started, when they stopped. Everything is a real quick click with 1 or 2 clicks of the mouse. We keep 2 years of data. We're also able to set up.
So the data is stored online at your location, your server?
In our servers, for 2 years. The other thing people really like is the ability to set up alerts. We can look at things such as driver behavior. We can look at
braking,
hard braking, speeding, braking, accelerating, hard turns. We can set up idle alerts if they idle too long. We can set up maintenance alerts. So if you want to have maintenance automatically measured, you can set up to say, hey, I'd like to have oil change done every so often in miles or engine hours, and repeat every 5,000 miles. That's very easy to set up. We get reports on all of these sort of things as well. We have 38 plus data reports.
My goodness.
And these can come as PDFs, Excel spreadsheets, or HTML. So if we wanted to see a daily details report of just all the vehicles in this particular demo site, you can see how long they were moving, how long they stopped, idle time, the distance they traveled, their current odometer.
So can I have the daily details which show, let's say, the whole route. Then can I aggregate that per stop so I can tell what my average time spent at stop number 1, stop number 2 has been over time?
Yeah, this summarized everything for one vehicle for the whole day. But yeah, if you wanted to see another report that showed landmarks, every landmark they hit, I'll try to find you stop details report. Is probably going to be a little bit more to what you're asking about.
Right, I bet.
So here you go. This is every address they stopped at for one vehicle, just to your point.
Yeah.
So it comes in so many ways, slicing and dicing the data.
All right.
But we allow demos, so if someone says, hey, I'm not quite sure how this fits, if you sign a form, we can send a device to you, you can try it out and see how it works. Another important thing is for street sweeping, you likely are going to want to know if the street sweeper, if I'm not saying that right, is engaged.
Yeah.
So we only do usually 3 wires.
Let's say the auxiliary engine is operating.
Exactly,
for example.
auxiliary engine.
Yeah.
So if there's a power to operate switch, to turn that on, we can also wire to that switch, and then this will measure to make sure that sweeping auxiliary engine was engaged when it should have been.
Right.
So
okay.
that's more things we can measure within the integration of the system.
So you can add a wire setup.
Yeah, and we have a 4th wire on here that measures, hey, is it engaged or not engaged?
Yeah, makes sense. Okay.
So that's pretty much a quick summary.
And does this integrate with GPS? It looks like it has GPS.
It has GPS in it.
Has
And that's how it
GPS
gets
all
all
in
the
it, so
data.
we don't have to get another GPS provider
No, you
for
don't.
that. Okay.
Yep. Everything is, we use the Verizon network as part of our provider of network.
Okay.
So, and it comes with it. Let's just say average price $25 per month per device. That includes the cellular aspect as well. Right? So everything you're getting is $25 per month per device.
Is there an installation charge?
There is.
How
Some
much
people
is that
have their own
typically?
installation providers, and if you can do it, then they can easily install.
So
this.
you allow that
We allow
anyway?
that, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have lifetime warranty on the equipment as well. So.
All right. And I'm going to put your card. Well, I guess it's. I'll just come down on it right there. That'd be fine. So there's the contact information, and just so we have it here, what's the phone number that we call?
800-815-2011.
And the website is
ProviewSystems.com.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nick.
Yeah, thanks.